everyone, welcome back to AJ Caribbean Cooking. Today I'm making a lovely detox drink. I have 1 green apple, 1 pink lady apple, and about 7 small persimmons. We're going to chop this up and blend it. I have sliced up all of the fruits. Now we're ready to place them in the blender. Now that I have all of the fruits in the blender, I'm going to give it an added health boost by adding some homemade sea moss gel, and I'm also going to add 3 cups of water. Okay guys, so I'm going to add the water now to the blender. To give this an extra health boost, I'm adding 2 scoops of homemade sea moss. It's ready to drink, so now we're going to pour this to drink it. Okay guys,